had too many shots. Way too many shots. How you doing?
I'm fine.
I am pretty hungover right now. I had way too much to drink last night. Cheers! He was the smart one and stopped drinking a little early. And I did not. So I am really struggling to get this food down right now. Enjoying some coffee and our little editing companion here. So cute. Hey. The best companion to have while we're editing. There are 3 other dogs as well that keep running in and out, and they're just absolutely adorable. Right now I'm editing a photo to post on Instagram. This one right here, or another one. I haven't picked it yet. I am having such a hard time actually picking which photo to post. I am so happy right now. This is much needed. Now on to the sunset. We only have 45 minutes and we have to spot
Meaning
our car.
2 fries is what we get.
Yeah, we have 45 minutes and it's a 26-minute drive, so we're cutting it close on the time. Let's go. As per usual, we are arriving way too late, but we can still catch it. And it's looking pretty beautiful. Check it out. So we raced out here, and I think we were here around 15 minutes before sunset. It was a little too late, sadly, because the sky was really epic, and you can see this cloud over here covering the ocean, so you couldn't see the sunset clearly. So the sky settled down a bit when we arrived. I flew my drone through that, which was super sketchy. When I flew the drone through it, as I was going under, all of a sudden it was like the connection just cut. And the drone started sinking really, really fast. So I panicked. I just ran around and tried to get it back, but fortunately the connection came back and I was able to save the drone.
A few moments later.
So I didn't have time to finish my dinner before we came out to this place to shoot. So now I'm enjoying my Big Mac dinner with this view. Not too bad, but this Big Mac is cold, so the burger isn't the best, but I'll be fine with it with this view. We're just gonna head back to the hotel and do some editing. Alright, back at the hotel now. This was basically our last full day in the Algarve. Tomorrow we will be heading out for sunrise for one last location we haven't been to yet. And then we are going to Lisbon, which is gonna be great for 2 days. So I've been there a bunch of years ago when I was a kid, but I can't remember it at all. So I'm really looking forward to exploring the city and to get some new surroundings. I mean, the nature here is absolutely gorgeous, but it'll be nice to mix it up a bit. But as always, it's getting late and I am completely shattered and extremely tired. So I'm gonna head to bed. So this is it for me today. Remember to be weird, be courageous, and pursue your dreams. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Ha ha ha!